So in the last video, I wanted to come up with the equation that passes through the points of 4, -6, and -1, 2. And we came up with this answer down here of y equals -8/5 x plus 2/5. And we want to confirm that we have the correct answer. Well, the way that we're going to start is we're going to just plug this into our y equals equation. So I go to my y equals, and I type in the answer that I got. So that was -8 divided by 5, so -8/5 x plus 2/5, or 2 divided by 5. Now, I'm going to go ahead and graph this on the normal or the standard window. The easiest way to get there is to push the zoom and then the 6. That gives you the standard window, which gives you tick marks of 10 in every single direction. And I get this graph here. Now, that's what we graphed when we graphed it by hand. But if we want to fully check our answer, we need to double check that this graph goes through these 2 points that we expect it to go through. So we need to see that our graph goes through the points of 4, -6, and it goes to the points of -1, 2. So if you ever want to double check some ordered pairs, the easiest way to do that on your TI-83 or 84 calculator is you just push the trace button. Now, the trace button does exactly what it says. It traces it. So you can push the left and the right, and so you can see whether your calculator gets close to those points. So if I'm looking for my -1, 2, okay, I can push the trace and I see that I get close to my points that I'm looking for. I get an estimate of x equals -1 here and an estimate of y equals 2 there. Okay. Now, in math, we never like estimates, so we want to confirm that this is the exact right point. The way that you do that, after you push your trace button, is you want to type in your x value. Well, our x value for our second point was -1. So you hit the trace, and then you type in -1. And that's telling you down here at the very left, that's telling you that you are typing in -1. If you hit enter, then it confirms your second coordinate, or the y value, the y equals 2 value that goes along with it. So our graphing calculator just confirms that we are going through the point of -1, 2. Now we also need to confirm that it goes through the other point as well. So if you hit your trace button once, you actually do not need to hit it again. All you have to type in is the correct x value. So our second x value was x equals 4. Again, notice your calculator is telling you that's what you're typing in on the very left. If you hit enter, we should come up with the corresponding x value of y equals -6. And that is correct because that is what we were looking for. Not only does it confirm the ordered pair is correct, it takes you to where that point is on the graph. So we have confirmed that our line goes through these 2 points that we are looking for. So we have confirmed that we got the right answer on this problem here. So that means on your exam coming up, you can guarantee yourself a right answer. All you have to do is double check it with your graphing calculator.